Friends, today we are going to learn how to make delivery bills in RetailSoft. That is, I will tell you the entire flow of a delivery bill. So we'll go to the sales module, then I will go to the sales interest screen. On a sales interest screen, I will select the customer name to whom I want to make delivery bill. I'll select Rahul as a customer. Here I can select this is I will put the name. I can this is these are the names. I will select customer. I will say Lux is this item. I want to use a coconut oil. So I'll change the quantity, 5 quantity. So this is how I wanted to make this. I wanted this to be delivered at my house. So this is my name and my address. This is my name and my address. So what I will do, I wanted to just go to this. That this bill has to be delivered, right? So at the time of a save bill, I will say no to print because I don't have printer attached with my system. I will say F1. So here that you want to give the discount. Are you short? This is see this is the, it's prompting that is after 500 rupees there is a discount is going on, so it's 2 kg sugar free. So do you want to for this enjoy this offer? If it is a yes, then you have to go create new bin additional item. You have to buy some other items, so you will get that offer. I'll say no. I just offer this, and then after I will say this is the here on the screen there is a button called due bill. I will say due bill. Due bill is an option we have already given for the delivery management, because what happens is when a delivery management customer pay at the time of a delivery only, so those bill will be a due. It is then they will go there and they will just collect the payment, and that is not a credit sale. It is not a credit sale. Due bill is something like this for a time being. They have given the order for telephonic or somewhere on the other way of media, so we are just delivering and keep picking up the payments. That is called a due bill. So we are given that option. I'll select it and I'll save it. So whichever the bill which has been saved as a due bill will go to this dispatch order screen. So what happens is once the delivery bill has been generated, then some person has to go and get those items ready. We have to pack that delivery, right? So that person will go and pack the entire items. On this screen, in the display screen, we'll say Rahul is a customer. So Rahul, I'll select it. I'll select the bill number. So it will show these many items are there. So what is the date when we want to deliver? What is the time? At what time? Who is the delivery boy? Who is the Sachin is the delivery boy? So this is how is there any change we are going to give? This is the 780. This is the net amount. That is the bill amount, right? So what I will say, I will give the change. So owner, what happens in a delivery bills now? Maximum owner they give the change to the delivery boy. So the change given option we already given over here. 27 rupees the change has been given to this delivery, right? So when the delivery boy will come after delivering the products, and when they will give the payment to the owner. So at that time we should have the bifurcation: 273 rupees and a delivery billing bill amount, and 27 rupees and a change given amount. So total amount received is 500 rupees. This kind of this calculation has to be there. Right now, there's so many people make it manual, so we have make all the things automated. So here I'll select the delivery channel. I will make it save. So now once we'll make the save, no, it will one if you are using SMS service, the customer will receive the SMS by saying that your delivery bill delivery is been dispatched, and our executive will reach at your place very soon. So that customer will be ready at the store with the cash or the other media of payment. So this is I'll go to this. Then after once the delivery has been completed, when delivery boy will come back to the store, so that delivery boy will give the that is amount to the owner. So we'll go to this dispatch delivery status. A dispatch delivery status is nothing but a status can be changed. What happens is whether the delivery has been delivered or it has been rescheduled, it has been returned back or not. That we have to some clear check that things, right? So we have option F1 is a delivered. It is in that F3 is a reload. We can delete the deliveries and we can save the reschedules. So I said Rahul is the person who came back from this delivery. So now here in the screen we can see what is the bill amount and what is the change given amount, and just we have just simply save it, deliver, done, payment has been received. That's all. This is how we can create the home delivery bill in the RetailSoft.